You're the first.
I'm the first Korean?
Yeah.
You know, I never tried this in my life. Never tried.
Right.
4,820 meters. The trail to Stok is a lot tougher than I expected. I met a lady from the village of Rumbak. Her name is Stanzin, and she's going to university. Where? Where do you go to university?
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. Okay, okay. And she's home for summer holidays, and she goes back to school 1 month later. You want to go visit Korea too?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me why you love Korea?
Because it's pretty. They're
Really?
beautiful.
Oh, Korean people beautiful.
Yeah.
I think Indian people are beautiful too.
They're very kind.
Yeah, yeah. You
Their
met.
food.
You like Korean food? Oh.
I love Shin ramen.
Shinramen. Oh, not spicy?
No spicy.
Ah, okay, okay. Ah. You have Korean friends?
No.
Oh, but you met some Koreans before?
No.
You never
Never.
met.
You're the first.
I'm the first Korean?
Yeah.
Really? So you like Shinramen? You like BTS?
Blackpink.
Blackpink?
Twice.
Huh?
I know many.
Which one?
Twice.
Twice? Oh, you're the first one.
Twice. And there are many.
And you watch Korean K-drama?
K-drama, yeah.
K-drama, okay. Which actor, actress do you like?
I like Limino.
Imino? Oh, really? Oh, yeah, he's tall and handsome, huh?
Park Shin-hye.
Park Shin-hye, okay, okay. So, what are you studying? What is your major?
Mine psychology.
Psychology. Oh, very good, very good. I only see cows here and donkeys.
Donkeys there.
What other animals are here?
Cows, donkeys.
You have chicken?
No chicken.
No chicken here? Oh,
Earlier there used to be sheep.
sheep, okay.
Then the snow leopard used to come and eat them all.
Who came?
Snow leopard.
Snow leopards are here?
Now it's not.
Not anymore.
Earlier sheep, when sheep they
Ah.
used to come from here, then eat
Oh.
all of them.
Oh, they're
Not eat, they drink the blood.
and then run away. So you villagers kill them?
Yeah.
Ah.
No,
No?
snow leopard.
Yeah.
No,
You don't
they'll
kill snow leopard?
They'll kill us.
Yeah, but they're coming here killing animals. You don't kill them?
No, they're very dangerous.
Ah, but not here anymore.
No.
Ah, okay. Okay.
They'll
What?
come outside.
Why are they inside? Just two? You have two?
Only two.
Ah. Oh, you have a homestay too?
Yeah.
Ah.
It's not our turn, na?
Huh?
It's turn wise.
So today you cannot do homestay? What if more people come, then you can?
Yeah.
Stanzen invited me to her house for some tea. She's very kind. Okay, let me go inside. So this is Stanzen's kitchen and dining area. What is that? Is that sugar?
Salt.
You put salt in the
Yeah.
tea? Okay.
It's a salty kind.
It is salty. Okay. I've never seen anybody put salt in tea before.
It's
People put sugar, but not salt.
sugar with milk tea.
Ah, okay, okay. Very
In
nice.
namkeen you put salt.
So what did you put inside? Salt and
Salt and
butter?
one other thing, then butter
Mm.
and milk.
That other thing. What is the other thing? Can you show me?
Mix.
What is the other thing? You keep saying
I
other thing. You don't know.
this- What you call in English?
But how do you make it? What is it?
It's a leaf, kind of.
Ah, okay, leaf. Some sort of leaf. The Stanzin's mother, and that's the butter.
Butter, butter, milk.
Water, butter, milk.
And shake. All shake.
Okay.
All mix.
Everything from cow, no yak.
Cow.
Oh, not
Yak,
no.
yak no. Yak is milk.
Yak, they don't do milk. Yak have milk
Yak
too.
no milk.
Yak no milk.
Yak is milk.
We cannot drink yak milk.
Yak no milk. Yak is milk. Zomo is female. Zomo.
Butter tea in English, in Hindi it's namkeen tea.
Namkin tea, but it's butter tea,
Butter tea.
and it has a 2 cow and 1 yak.
Yeah.
Yan.
No. 2 cow and 1 zomo.
Somo.
2 cow, 1
Yeah,
zomo.
milk mix.
Mix all.
That's mother, grandpa, and grandma. That stands in. What is your name?
We don't have a family name.
You don't have family name? We brought some cow feed, just leftover food from the house. Can I feed? Can I try? What is this, Stanzi? What is this?
It's made from wheat and the butter tea.
Oh, just give? Wow. Hello. So this is just leftover food.
Vegetable.
Leftover food. Okay.
Hey, you do that.
You know, I never tried this in my life. Never tried.
Try.
Yeah.
You try.
Just pull.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, not hard. I need to go faster.
First time.
Faster.
Try to.
This one.
Oh,
this
yeah.
one. Oh, sorry. Oh, not much. Oh, okay. Very small. Oh, very small compared to cow.
Cow is big.
Zomo very small.
Small.
So, Zomo and cow milk taste different? They taste different.
Different, yeah. Zomo is good. Cow is.
Really?
Zomo is good.
Better
Zomo
tasting.
is better.
Oh, okay. Oh, very small. Very small. Oh, okay. Not coming, not a lot.
Small.
Oh, not a lot.
If she will watch you, then she'll kick you.
Oh, okay, so you, why?
Because she's the owner. Only she can
She
touch.
knows. Okay.
She knows.
Oh, okay. Oh, not much.
Okay.
Thank you.
This is good. This.
Yeah.
Which one is better?
This is better.
Same, but this one's small. Oh, I go wash my hands. You put cow dung where? Here?
Here, yeah.
And put kerosene, and they. How long do they last? How many hours?
2-3 hours.
That's it. So you have to constantly put.
Yeah. But it's the bigger one. This is the small one.
Ah,
We
okay.
have bigger one.
Ah, okay. This is your room, or you share with your sister? Homestay room. Okay. Very nice. With the windows, good views. Very nice.
Yesterday I put this sticker.
You did?
Yeah.
This looks really nice. Good job. It's a world inspired by nature. What is this?
Vegetable?
Huh? What is this?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. It's spicy.
Spicy? No.
It smells good. Smells good. And this is mint tea. Rice. Okay.
Đây là chỉ dọc đó ra. Bác khoang nó phải để chỉ.
Dal.
너 추가 ngoài kia lên mà.
Mama, Papa?
Mama.
Mama, that's for Mama. I give to Mama. Okay, no problem. Mama, where is she? Mama here? Mama?
Yeah.
Mama, okay. No problem. This for Papa? Okay. Okay, so this is dinner at the homestay. So I have a rice, dal, mixed vegetable. This is yogurt, and this is salad. This is really nice. Everything's the dinner, breakfast, and packed lunch are included in the price of homestay, which is 1,500 rupee. Okay, the food is really delicious. This yogurt is from Zomo. It's a homemade yogurt. This is very nice too. Tastes like eggplant. I think it is eggplant. Very nice. Wow. Alright, I just found out that the village of Rumbak received municipal electricity only 1 year ago. Before then it was solar powered, if they had solar panels. Good morning, it's 7 o'clock. I am eating breakfast. There's a mint tea, egg omelette, and chapati. It's 7:48. I am leaving the village of Rumbak on my way to village of Stok. It should take me about 6 hours or more, according to the locals. I have to go over Stokla Pass, which is 4,820 meters. Okay, let's get going. I came up that trail. Oh, it's very tough. High altitude and constant incline. Whew. Not easy, not easy. It's 12:16 p.m. I made it to the Stola Pass, 4,820 meters. Oh. And it is raining now. Oh, what a climb. Oh my goodness. Beautiful up here though. Very beautiful. Oh, I made it. Oh my goodness. The trail to Stok is a lot tougher than I expected. In many places there's no trail, it's just a whole bunch of rocks and very tough terrain. It's 4:36 p.m. Finally made it to Stok. Wow, this trekking was really tough. Oh, there were times when I thought I wasn't going to make it. Wow, trail just started disappearing. Trails washed away. Wow, I'm really glad I made it. I thought I was gonna perish in Ladakh forest. Oh my goodness, finally made it to Stok.